true style isn't about following every new trend, it's about creating a home that feels timeless. Vintage elegance blends history, warmth, and character into every room. Let's explore how classic decorating choices can remain beautiful for generations. Soft neutrals, creamy whites, warm beige, muted sage, and dusty blue create a calming foundation. These classic colors never go out of style and allow vintage furniture and decor to shine while making every room feel welcoming and elegant. Instead of chasing fast furniture trends, choose solid wood pieces with graceful craftsmanship. Vintage-inspired cabinets, dining tables, and armchairs become lasting investments that grow more beautiful with age and bring timeless charm into your home. A timeless home balances vintage treasures with modern comfort. Pair an antique dresser with contemporary lighting, or place a classic mirror above a sleek console. This thoughtful contrast creates a fresh yet enduring style that never feels outdated. Natural materials bring warmth and authenticity. Linen curtains, cotton throws, Woven baskets, hardwood floors, and aged leather create depth without overwhelming the space. These textures add comfort while celebrating the beauty of traditional craftsmanship. Every antique tells a story. Whether it's a vintage clock, porcelain vase, framed artwork, or family heirloom, meaningful pieces give your home personality. Decorating with history creates emotional value that trends simply cannot replace. Elegant lighting transforms every room. Crystal chandeliers, brass sconces, vintage table lamps, and warm bulbs create a soft glow that highlights classic decor. The right lighting makes every detail feel inviting, luxurious, and timeless. Fresh flowers, leafy plants, and natural branches soften vintage interiors beautifully. Seasonal greenery adds life and color while maintaining an elegant atmosphere. Nature complements classic decor and keeps every room feeling fresh throughout the year. Classic textiles never disappoint. Floral prints, delicate lace, velvet cushions, embroidered linens, and subtle stripes add sophistication without appearing overly trendy. Mixing these fabrics creates cozy layers filled with warmth and vintage character. small details make the biggest difference. Decorative molding, brass hardware, vintage picture frames, ceramic knobs, and handcrafted accessories elevate ordinary spaces. These finishing touches quietly express quality and refined taste in every corner. Timeless homes are designed for living, not just displaying. Arrange furniture for conversation, add comfortable seating, and include soft blankets that invite relaxation. A home filled with comfort naturally becomes a place people love returning to. Trends come and go, but thoughtful design endures. Before adding any new decor, ask whether it complements your home's character. Choosing pieces that reflect your personal style ensures your space remains beautiful for many years. The most elegant homes reflect the people who live in them. Collect meaningful artwork, travel souvenirs, family photographs, and treasured keepsakes. Over time, these personal touches create a home that is uniquely yours and impossible to imitate. Vintage elegance is more than a decorating style, it's a way of creating a home filled with warmth, history, and lasting beauty. By choosing quality, embracing character, and decorating with intention, you'll build a space that remains graceful through every changing trend.